Wilton Dedge was convicted of committing a brutal rape that took place more than 50 miles from where he was working at the time. The appellate court ordered a new trial. Before the second trial, an informant who had ridden in a police transport van with Dedge testified that Dedge confessed to the crime and told him how he was able to commit it. The informant said that Dedge told him that the victim lived on a dirt road off US 1, which was in fact where she lived. The informant said that he had a Kawasaki KC 900 and he had souped it up and made it into a faster version. He said it's the fastest bike made for the United States. It would go in excess of 160 miles an hour right off the showroom. And he told me that he had the trip between New Smyrna and Sharpstown Pat where he could make it in 15 minutes one way. And I said, wait a minute now. I'm a damn fast driver myself, and I don't believe you could do that. And I asked him, what was he driving? And he told me he was driving that motorcycle that would go that fast. The informant bolstered nearly every aspect of the prosecutor's case. Wilton Dedge was exonerated by DNA testing years later. He had served 22 years for a crime that he didn't commit. In 20% of cases of wrongful convictions overturned by DNA testing, an informant, including cellmates or co-defendants, or other incentivized witnesses testified falsely against the defendant. Examples of incentivized witnesses include jailhouse informants or cellmates who seek reduced charges or favorable treatment from the parole board in exchange for their cooperation, other cooperating witnesses who are not in jail but seek similar favors from law enforcement or prosecutors, or co-defendants who plead guilty and seek a reduced sentence in exchange for their cooperation. Informant testimony is inherently suspect. If it is to be used as evidence, its use must be carefully regulated to make sure that deals are not hidden, improper testimony is not conveyed, and judges have clear authority to instruct jurors about the general and specific unreliability of informant testimony.